Once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a MyKey Premium Remote Start. I'm going to be working on 2015 Hyundai Sonata. It is also suitable for 2015 through 2019 models. This product is very simple to install. It's 100% plug and play, and it works through your original key. You don't need to have anything extra. Now let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're going to get a module. For this specific model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. On the left side, all of them are up, and then on the right side, one is down, and the rest are up. And you're gonna get a set of harness. For this installation, you're only gonna need a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a trim removal. That's all you're gonna need. So very first step, we're gonna have to remove the seal. It's pretty easy, just pull it out, just like that, move it aside, and we're gonna remove this panel first. That's where we're using the trim removal. Just like that, put your fingers in there and pull it out. Now we're gonna remove this panel, and for that we're gonna need to remove 1, 2, and then the one inside. 2 screws, 3 screws. So. And one is over here. Pop this thing out, and it's the same way. Here you go. Once the 3 screws are out, we're gonna pop this panel out. Just like so. Now, just to have some room to play around, you could actually leave this as it is, because you don't need anything else over here. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna remove it so I have a little better access. Now we're gonna remove these 2 panels, one here and then one over here. This one is first. You're gonna put your trim removal and then just pop it up, just like that. And now we're going to remove 3 screws, one here, one on the right side, and the one right underneath over here, right over here. And for that, we're going to need to put the keys into ignition and turn the wheel so we have the access to both screws on top. One is out. Now the second one. And the one underneath. Once the 3 screws are out, we're just gonna pull this way and then down. But before that, remove the key. Pull this down, just like that. Now we're going to be removing this panel. I know it looks complicated, but it's actually very easy. All we have to do is just pull this thing first from this side, from the left side, just like that. And here we go. Now we get the access to the BCM module. We're gonna disconnect 2 connectors. This one over here, the gray one, and then this is a darker grayer one. And to disconnect the connectors, all we have to do is press the pin on each connector. Each connector has a pin. Press the pin and pull it down. Now I'm gonna start with the darker grayer one. I'm gonna press this pin over here, wiggle it around, and pull it down. All it is you pressing this pin and pull it down. It's easier with two hands. One is pressing the pin and the other hand is pulling it down. Same thing with this one. You press the pin, wiggle it around and pull it down. This one is a little tighter, but it's fine. So now we're going to be connecting this MyKey Premium T-harness. First things first, basically we're going to be connecting those connectors unplugged into here and then plug those connectors back into the module. So first one, we're going to do the white one. The white one is in the middle. So we'll take the unplugged connector, plug them into MyKey module, plug them into MyKey harness. So now this connector will be going back into the car's module. Just like that. And the very important part is for you to push the connector all the way up. Until you hear a little click. That's a very important part. Now we're connecting the gray connector. And this side back into your car's module. Just like that. Now this is the other side of the connectors. All you have to do is just run them through the top of the unit. Just like so. Now you have it right here. So this is on the left side of the wheel. We're going to unplug this connector and plug the second harness of MyKey Premium. So this is what we're going to be connecting. Just like so, and put it back into the car's connector. Make sure it's all the way in. So now we're going to be connecting the MyKey Premium module. You have these two connectors, the ones that we've been working with. So this one goes first. That's your data connector. And your power connector always goes last. Just like so. Before you put everything back together, test it out first. Tuck this module in. You're going to have plenty of space there. Once you do that, put everything back together and you're good to go. Now let's test it out. Once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here you go, the car started. Once you inside the car is in the sleeping mode. You have to press the brake, and you won't be able to shift gears until you put the keys inside. Once you put the keys inside the ignition, put in gear, and you're good to go. Guys, after testing it out, make sure everything works as it should, and put every single panel back together as the way we took them out. Use this video for you to help you to put everything back together in a reverse way. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.